Hey guys, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my home here in Santa Monica, California. So I love these videos. Let me know down in the comments below if you love haul videos. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about all of the plant babies that I got in today's Come With Me episode featuring my best friend Evelyn and a few pots that I got in Arizona over the weekend. So it is a collective haul. Now I just wrapped up a Come With Me in Long Beach, which is about 25-30 miles south of me, so it's definitely not in my bubble. So I love my Come With Me series because I get to go and explore the plant community in each different city, state, and different parts of the world. So I'm going to talk about all of the plant babies that I did purchase today. I figure, you know what, as soon as I get home with these plants, I have to sit down and talk about them because I'm kind of like on a plant high. Thumbs up the video if you know what I'm talking about. I couldn't wrap my mind around how big this nursery was and the amount of succulents that they had. Now, I feel like this nursery specializes in succulents because there was so many of them. I did see a lot of random type of plants. There was definitely Tradescantias. There was a lot of different variety of plants there, but I feel like that nursery is focused on succulents. So I walked out with all succulents in today's haul. If you guys enjoy these type of videos, let me know down in the comments below. So before I go ahead and talk about my plants that I got in today's Come With Me, I'm going to talk to you about the little planters that I got in Arizona over the weekend. So these are the planters that I scored in Arizona thrifting over the weekend with my grandma. I wanted to piggyback these planters on today's haul. These are planters I scored thrifting in Arizona for $1 something each. I believe I got it at a thrift shop in Tempe, which I visited maybe 2 or 3 times. Apparently I have good luck thrifting in Arizona. So according to the stamp underneath here, it says it's made in Italy. It is very heavy. I love thrifting for planters that are around $2. These were under $2 each, so I couldn't pass them up, and they're just adorable. Look at that. And the size of it is pretty good. I could definitely put a cactus in it, and then of course I can drill a hole if I wanted to. They're small and they can fit in my hands like this. I think it's gonna take a while for me to drill just because of the thickness of this planter, but I couldn't pass it up because of the cute design on the top part of the pot and then just that terracotta vibe. Let me know what do you guys think. I scored this for under $2 each, and I never want to spend more than $2 each on a planter if I'm thrifting because I can get it brand new if I wanted to. So these are my thrifted finds over the weekend in Arizona. So I'm going to talk about 4 purchase babies, and then I'm going to show you my free plant at the end. And I love nurseries that give me free plants whenever I go there, so that's really cool. I was really consumed by all of the variety that they had, and the plants that I got today are common plants, but because they were so big, I think I was just wild and I just had to have them. So this is an Echeveria, and I think this is so cool. And you'll see the trend. I either got... Okay, there is so much traffic right now because I live off of Wilshire Boulevard. It is such a busy boulevard. There's an Echeveria that just stole my heart, and this is a very common Echeveria, but the reason why I got it was because of the size. Take a look at this. This is a lot, and I just love how big and stemmy it is. And then the cool thing about this is if you look under here, do you see that? I have 1, 2, and here's the third one right here. 3. I have 3 Kalanchoes here hanging out, so it's like a little bonus. Yeah, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, there's 4 little Kalanchoes growing here on the bottom, which I thought was super cute. So I love that. So that's a little bonus, but let me know what you guys think about the size of this. It's definitely a statement piece. Again, this is a common succulent, so it's not like it was something rare. I think all of the plants I got today are common, but I think I gravitated towards all of them because of the size. So here's plant number 1 added to the collection. Here's number 2. Now this guy is pretty interesting. Actually, I wasn't gonna get him. I was gonna originally get one that was a little bit shorter and thicker, but the reason why I settled on this guy is because 1, he has a baby right here, so I can easily propagate this and make another baby, and then just the characteristic of it kind of hanging off to the side, I'm gonna try to replant it and have it to be able to maybe shift to stand tall. But I just love the length of it. Take a look at how tall this thing is. It is really big. I think the reason why I gravitated towards everything I got today was because of the size. So definitely nothing on my wish list today, but I mean, come on guys, take a look at this. How awesome is this? I'll spin it this way so you can see what it looks like on this side. Sound off down below. What do you think? I think it's absolutely adorable. So the next one I want to talk about is my Panda plant. Here's my beautiful Kalanchoe. Now again, this is a very common succulent. There's tons of babies here that I can go ahead and propagate and make more babies. But the reason why I got this was because of the size and the price. So I couldn't pass it up. And I can't get over fuzzy succulents. They're just dear to my heart. So again, I see this all the time in plant nurseries and flea markets. But nothing ever this big though. That's the thing. I think all of the succulents I've seen before, but just never this big, and for the price I just couldn't pass it up. So that's plant number 3. Now this is probably going to be my succulent of the day just because of the elegant characteristic to it. This is the Echeveria Rusbyi, and all of these are in 1-gallon containers. Let me know, have you ever seen this Echeveria before? Echeveria Rusbyi. I was gravitated towards this one because of all of the clusters and just how feminine the plant looks like. I just think it's stunning. So I can't wait to plant this up, and then we'll see what planter I end up putting it in. I would definitely probably want it in a white planter versus a terracotta, but we'll see. I want to see what the root system looks like when I take it out. Hopefully in my next planting with Jewelyn episode. I'm gonna wrap up the video with my free plant. So I am like in love with my free plant. I always like think that my free plants are the best plants because they're given to me free. But this, out of all the free plants that I've gotten from different nursery visits, this is probably going to be the best one. How adorable is this guy? Like, it's huge compared to my palm. Like, look at that. I think this is such a good deal. I can see 1, 2, 3 different stems down here, so we'll see when I take it apart. It's probably together, but the fact that it's so big, and I love these chunky type of succulents. I love it a lot. I can't believe I got this for free. And you can see there's tons of like new growth here. Like, how cute is that? So sound off down below. Do you think that this was an awesome free plant? I think it's adorable. Everything that I got plant wise was around $31 altogether, and then my 2 thrifted planters were $1 something each thrifted, but to me they look brand new. I think those little pots are super cute. Sound off down below, what did you think about today's collective haul? What was your favorite? Do you think that I scored these for a deal? I can't wait to have them in my collection. Everything that I got today was definitely a want. They weren't on my wish list, and that's kind of one thing that happens to me is when I go into a nursery, it's hard for me to walk out and not buy anything. But I think for the amount that I got, I think it's definitely worth more than what I paid. I'm really excited to see what happens when I take them apart. Will I be able to propagate by separation? And I don't know, we'll see what happens. But if you guys are interested in seeing these plant babies planted up in a future Planting with Jewelyn episode and you're new, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified whenever I do an upload. And that is going to wrap up today's collective haul between Arizona and Southern California. I had so much fun sharing this with you guys. I hope this inspires you to get out and style more green in your home. I am going to take a shower and get comfy and edit another video. I'll be heading back to Arizona in 2 days. I don't know if I'll be able to have time to plant these babies up tomorrow. I'll definitely have to see if I have any planters that are available to have these babies in my collection. So we'll see. If I don't film it tomorrow, I'll definitely film it when I come back from Arizona. And that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. You can find more on my blog at elajewelyn.blogspot.com. Until next time, oh my god, this is so cute. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica. Bye!